Hi guys, the other day I was asked, what is the purpose of a makeup air furnace for an apartment building? So first thing is, basically what does it do? It draws air from the outside and pressurizes the hallways, or pumps air into the hallways of your apartment building. It heats the air as it does this. So the most common thing people say, the purpose of it then is to heat the hallways. But that is probably the least important thing it does. So if you can picture it, it's pumping air into the hallways and pressurizing them through these grills up here. So each floor has one of these. And the purpose of that, main purpose, is that if there's a fire in somebody's suite, that the smoke will remain in the suite or be forced to stay into the suite. If it wasn't in that case, the hallways would be filled with smoke. And like any firefighter will tell you, smoke is way more dangerous than the fire itself. Another key thing that it does is it keeps the smells of people's apartments in their apartments. I think anyone that's ever rented an apartment knows the whole feeling of walking down the hallway and going, oh, someone's cooking popcorn. Oh, someone's cooking fish. Oh, someone's smoking weed. So yes, it's important to keep the smells in people's suites as well. Well guys, I hope that helped you out. It might be on your list of things that you maybe look into when you're renting a place, is ask if they have a makeup air furnace for those reasons. Anyways, all the best, take care.